Okay, what I'm uh, showing you here is the issue that I had with the check engine light and the track off light indicator staying on. This happened over the highway. I went across the state, and on the way back, I fill up with a different gasoline brand. But I guess that has nothing to do with this, right? But usually, one gets to think, okay, this happens because of the different type of gasoline, maybe the different brand. Uh, I also went over the gas cap, and I checked, made sure that it was tight, and well, the lights stayed on, and so I went to the auto parts store and asked the guys to check my vehicle. To my surprise, they were not able to do it due to the situation that we are going through right now. The guy just handed me the OBD2 reader or tester or checker, and he just told me what to do, how to get a reading. So I got the reading, took it back to him, then he hooked it up to the computer, gave me the printout of the codes, and that was it. What I did, just to see what happened, is I disconnected the battery from the negative cable battery. I disconnected that, let it rest for a couple minutes, and then connected the battery back, and check engine light and the track off light weren't there anymore.